Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the second approach in which you can develop your Pyxel applications. So the second one uses the object-oriented paradigm. So you are going to define an application class, and after that you are going to reuse the Pyxel modules functions. So let me show you how you can use it. So hello class-based.py. So, as in the previous video you saw, we import the Pyxel module, we create our application, let it inherit from the object module, and what happened before when we used our Pyxel module is the following. So we have specified the window size, we have specified the caption, and now what I would like to do is to give it, let's say, custom caption based on what I want to call that specific window. So let's create our init function, and maybe let's also define the window size too. So x, y, and the caption. Now, if I go here, what I'm going to do is the following. So we will take it, the x and the y, and the caption equals to caption. This is the first part. So for the second part, what we will need to do is here in the init part, define our run function. And these are going to be a serve functions. So we need to do this with the update and draw. Okay, let's define our update function. Here we are going to take the serve as the argument, and let's define our draw functions. And let's just print the I'm drawing. I'm updating. And what I would also like to do is specify the frame per second. In the previous video, I did not talk about it, but now I would like to use this feature. So if the default is 30, and the lowest you can go is 1, so 1 frame each second. And now, if you would like, we could also pass this argument. So FPS equals FPS. And I think this is kind of all that needs to be done. And before I do this, I'm going to print an informational message. So app x equals y equals caption equals and FPS equals, and let's just give it these arguments and make it an f string. Very good. Now, if I go back here, what I would like to do is, let's say, create a pixel, a green pixel, that is going to move from left to right on the center of the screen. So now, what I would like to do is to create a self x that is pix x that is going to be equal to the integer part of the x divided by 2. And now this should put it to the middle of the screen. And now, if I want, I can use it, the y coordinate. So self.pix y equals to int y divided by 2 minus 30. And in the I'm updating part, what I will do is just simply increase the y coordinate by 1 and plus equals 1. And in the drawing part, I'm going to call the pixel.pix self pix x self pix y, and the color is going to be 11. Now, if I call my application, then I need to specify the 160, that 160. The caption is the moving pixel, and the FPS, to make it kind of slow, is, let's say, 5. Now, if I run my script, so this is how the class-based example looks like. It's kind of a different approach, but in the further videos we will explore it more and build our own game with it. So, thank you for watching.